Hello all. Today we will see about adjectives. Adjectives are used to describe or modify nouns. Adjectives that generally appear immediately before the noun are a pretty girl, red flowers, a long stick, heavy boxes, warm weather. If you want to decorate your English language to describe something, if you say a girl and you say a pretty girl, pretty makes your sentence much luxurious. Commonly, adjectives of opposite meaning are formed by adding a prefix such as un, in, or des. If it is not clear, you say unclear. If it is not important, you say unimportant. If you can't believe, you say with adjectives as unbelievable. If you don't know something or if you are not informed about something, you say I am unaware. You can go through the other examples. Next, you can use a string of adjectives. For example, a house. If we want to describe big brown, a big brown house. So a big determines the shape, brown determines the color. If you add an adjective to describe a class or group of people, for example, the rich, the poor. So the is an indefinite article. The poor, rich is used to describe something. Please go through the exercise. Thank you.